In today's video, I'll be showing you how to take a scrolling screenshot on your Samsung Galaxy A24. So first, what you want to do is open the page that you'd like to take a scrolling screenshot. It can be a web page that you've opened up and you want to save the information that you found. So what you want to do is to either use the screenshot icon in quick settings, or you can use the side key and the volume down button to take a screenshot so that you can access the toolbar and tap on the scrolling screenshot icon. So the more you tap, the more is added to your screenshot. As you can see, if I tap, it's added to the screenshot. So you can tap until you're satisfied with how long it is, and when you're happy, just tap on the thumbnail to open the screenshot. So once the screenshot has been opened up, you can edit easily using the edit icon here, or you can share it, or you can just leave it to be saved. So when you go to gallery, your screenshot should be there. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.